Hi, thanks for joining us at For the Love of Usborne. I wanted to show you Usborne's Look Inside food. And this is kind of our middle level, Lift the Flap book. There's Peek Inside for a little bit lower level. There's See Inside for a little bit higher level. Here's the contents. This one has quick links too. This book has tons and tons of flaps all over, and flaps inside of flaps. Pages that fold out down a couple levels or up a couple levels, or like here, a little bit of a panoramic fold out. It's a really, really, really neat book. Usborne's Look Inside Food.